Imagine creating code and instantly understanding the logic behind it. Today, we're diving into DeepSeek R1 and comparing it with ChatGPT to see how both models handle a request to build a Python snake game. Let's get started. Here's the same request entered into both DeepSeek R1 and ChatGPT. Let's explore how they respond. DeepSeek R1 generates not just the code but also a real-time breakdown of the logic behind it. Let's take a closer look. We have the Python script. It's neatly structured with game initialization, snake movement, and collision detection. DeepSeek explains each part of the code step by step. The logic for food spawning, how the snake grows, and how collisions end the game. Now, here's how ChatGPT handles the same request. It generates accurate code, followed by a linear explanation of the logic. The explanation is clear, but it's static. It doesn't dynamically pair explanations with specific parts of the code like DeepSeek does. DeepSeek R1 stands out by offering an interactive and guided experience, making it ideal for developers who want to learn and understand coding at a deeper level. DeepSeek R1 doesn't just generate solutions, it helps you master the logic behind them. This innovation has the potential to reshape learning, coding, and even how we approach AI-powered development in the future. Which model do you think wins this battle? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to S3 Cloud Hub for more in-depth AI comparisons and tech insights. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.